Hello everyone, I am Nishi, an Indian travel blogger. Like every year, I visited Goa in 2020 just after the lockdown opened, and in this video I am going to share about situation in Goa after lockdown and how I explored North Goa in 2 days. Before watching the video guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for further notifications. Hi guys, so today I'm starting my journey for Goa and between coronavirus I'm going this time Goa. Every year I go. I'm taking my brother with me. So guys, I just came out of the Double Lim Airport, Goa. Just booked the taxi from here by the app, Goa Miles app. It's very hot in Goa and we just checked in our hotel and we will now go outside. I forgot to bring my slippers, so I'll buy some slipper and then we will rent a bike or a scooty. Everything is safe. This room is particularly very clean. Outside before the entry they check the temperature. They have put on sanitizer also. So guys, I have ordered kingfish, masala kingfish, because it's good with cold drinks.
Yes.
So it's eaten as starter and it's very nice. Aman is having fish first time here in Goa. Try and tell me how's it.
Yummy.
It's yum. So guys, I'm having some jeera rice with prawn vindaloo. Let's see how it is. They are saying it's very spicy. It has sweet and sour curry, but yeah, it is spicy, but not that much, but it's tasty. Guys, I just went to Baga Restaurant Bar. It was nice, good in taste, but it was really expensive. In Goa, they don't used to add taxes, like there didn't used to be any GST or VAT whenever you used to have food or drink, but now it is, so it is really expensive. This is the place. It's just if you come out of the Tito's Lane and there's some tree. Yeah, the Ronald Royal. There is this place and there are so many scooties here that you can hire, and we are actually hiring this scooty and it's costing us like 300 rupees per day, so we are taking for 2 days so that we can explore this north part and then I'll move to South Goa. Guys, if you're coming to North Goa, the first place that you have to visit, and that is in my list too, that is Chapora Fort, and it's also known as Dil Chahta Hai Point. That is why me and my friends actually goes every year and come Goa actually every year, so that at least just by that pact we will meet each other. So now I'm moving and it's already 5:30 and I have to see the sunset there. So let's go. Hi guys, so finally I have reached to Chapora Fort and this is the Dil Chahta Hai Point as well. And yes, one more I got to know about the history of this place is that this was built by a Muslim ruler and he actually named this fort as Shahpura, but later Portuguese, they came and they actually named the fort as Chapora Fort because it is located on the Chapora river. Even the local people generally come here to see this place, even the tourists as well as the locals, so therefore I think it needs a proper attention. So it must be given because it's give a very beautiful view of the beach also here. Guys, make on time here on Chapora Fort because there are way many tourists here. Even till now you can see it's very dark actually right now. It's already 6:30 and nowadays it gets very dark here and still many people are still coming here. So guys, the next famous restaurant and one of my favorite restaurant on Baga Beach is the Britos, and its seafood platter is awesome. Let's see what I'll eat today.
ये 1050 का है, ये बीच वाला 1450 का है और ये भी 1450 का है।
Just the thing about burritos is because it's very famous even among foreigners because they offer variety of food, so therefore it's little bit on expensive side. Else the food is really awesome. So guys, the next thing that we are going to eat is chicken kolhapuri. Chicken kolhapuri with jeera rice. It's very nice. He's a chicken lover. He don't even leave even a single bite of chicken. So I think if he likes it, that means it's really good. So guys, I just came out of the burritos and I tasted their two dishes and they were really awesome. So do try this place. It's very good, very amazing. At least once you can give the try. So guys, it's day 2 and we have started our journey. We are actually going first for Para Road. So guys, this is Para Road where shooting of Dear Zindagi was done, where Shah Rukh and Alia, they were riding bicycles. They came for a ride here and you can see it's very covered with beautiful palm trees, coconut trees, and it gives a very beautiful view. And if you have bicycle, like I don't have, I have my scooty with me. So if you have bicycle, I think it would give you a good feeling to just ride along, so you feel very close to nature. So it's beautiful road even for shooting as well, and you can have Instagrammable pictures also at this place. Guys, the next place on my list is Aguada Fort, and that is going to be very sunny there, so it will be too hot, but it's a must visit place if you're coming to Goa. So let's start the journey. So guys, before Aguada Fort there is Sinkuram Fort, and I think we are going first there, Sinkuram Fort, and before that we are having some food because we're very hungry and it's very hot, very sunny, so it's very difficult to roam on scooty when it's so sunny. Having some fresh lime soda. It's good, sweet and sour, tasty, at least in such hot weather. It's very soothing. There used to be always restaurants open wherever I stay, and this time when I'm roaming around, most of the restaurants are closed or they are opening late or they're empty because very less tourists are there as compared to what it used to be every year, and therefore you have to find some restaurant which is open right now. So this is what you can see, which is the impact of Corona. Guys, we ordered fish fingers here and let's see how is it. It's fresh, nice. The next thing that I have ordered is one kachumbar salad, which is my favorite in Goa. Like nearly every restaurant they serve it with every dish and it's very yummy. And next I have ordered is prawn Szechuan noodles. They're okay, not so good. So guys, my brunch is done and now I am heading for Sinkuram Fort, and after that I'll be going to Aguada Fort. So let's see, it's already 12:30. I think it will be too hot there. Let's see how much I would be able to enjoy the view and tolerate the heat. Behind this is the property of Taj, guys. So if you are residing here in Taj, then Aguada is like neighbor to you. Behind, if you see there, that is the actually Sinkuram Fort, which is an extension of Aguada Fort, and there is a way going there. There you will get Aguada Fort. For the protection of Goa it was built, and people generally come here for taking pictures and visiting the place because it gives a very amazing view of the sea and it has a very clean beach, Sinkuram beach also here. So you can enjoy the time here. Also you can also do boating here. People also are doing boating and jet skiing and other water sports also. now we have left from Singkuram beach and now we are going to Aguada Fort. So Singkuram beach is also adjacent to Singkuram Fort, and Singkuram Fort is also very small, but in day if you are planning to go, I would suggest you not to go. Aman is saying peace. So if you're planning to go, better go in early morning or late in evening, because a bit late in evening, because it will be very hot and intolerable. And right now guys, there is facility of e-ticket here. So because of corona, no cash or card payment is allowed. So if you are Indian, then you have to pay like 25 rupees by cash, or if you are paying by card, like e-ticket we are paying right now, so we have to pay like 20 rupees per person. So very reasonable, and it will give you very good views, and if the weather is also fine, I think you can spend whole day here also. So guys, we have reached Aguada Fort, and right now actually it opens from 9:30 am to 6:30 pm is the timing. And this was the fort actually built to protect Goa from Dutches and Marathas. This fort consists of some prisons. It was one of the Asia's biggest freshwater storage facility, and there's a lighthouse also here that very famous even among the Goans also. Even though they are the locals, but they visit this place too often. So I'm visiting this place second time, so do give it a visit. Just after the Aguada Fort, I left for Mapusa Flea Market, where one can buy anything in the cheapest prices, but I had to leave in between because of some very important work. Later in the evening, I went for dining in at the Baga beach, where I could see huge crowd enjoying the sunset. So this is all for now. Some amazing content coming up for you in the next video. Till then, stay connected guys, take care, and God bless you all.